November in Austria means one thing: Martinigansl. Not the tourist version, but the real deal. Austria, the way locals live it. Cold mornings that bite, and food that fights back. Holiday vibes, crisp skin, and kitchens that stay warm long after the sun bails early. And on the way there, you feel it creeping in. That unmistakable sense that something good is waiting just beyond the trees. Martinigansl, a feast older than most recipes, older even than the villa that keeps the tradition alive. November settles over Attersee in silver and quiet. Fires crackle, wine warms the hands, and Austria slows down. But before the guests arrive, before the rooms fill with laughter, there's a quiet evening of preparation. Tonight's not the show, it's the dress rehearsal. A test dinner to make sure the Martinigansl is perfect.
The Villa Weiss has been built in 1923 as a hunting lodge for the Brazilian king's family, the family of Braganza. And this house was quite famous also during the Second World War. Then it became, like a nursing home. And we had also a girls' school here. And then one of the ladies from the aristocracy, she dedicated her life, she was Contessa Kudolinski, to keep this villa alive. And she was like a grandmother to me. And then the house, so when she passed away, got sold. And we really wanted to save this house. There was this idea to throwing it down and building some apartments, and we said it's not gonna happen. No. We have to save it. This is quite a historical piece, and when you come to us, it's like home away from home. We want people to feel home.
Oh, I definitely feel at home here. This place is wonderful. It's dreamlike.
Lovely, thank you. In Villa Weiss, so we're having a beautiful dinner party. People who enjoy this tradition and who want to celebrate this tradition with us, they're going to come tomorrow, and I'm very excited.
The Martinigansl lineup is uncompromising. A goose loaded with apples and oranges, backed by red cabbage, chestnuts, and cranberries. Old school, just dialed all the way up.
And then we have the dumplings. They have to be. I mean, they're very important to go with the goose, because the goose is has some fat, and it's good to have some dumpling.
Cranberries. The taste lands. Rich, balanced,
Delicious.
unapologetically itself.
Did you try the oranges?
Tomorrow, the spotlight turns on. Meanwhile, Ellie leans in with quiet direction. The goose has to earn its place on the table. The vibe I get here is it's not restaurant, it's not a hotel, it is a villa, right? It does feel like a villa. But what I love is all the textures in materials, you open things and they click. And I like that.
I love your light switches.
The thing is, we had to rebuild the villa in the way she was before. And that was quite tricky to keep the things that we wanted to keep, but also to have a modern heating system, which you don't see. But on the other hand, you have the old furniture and the chimneys, and yes.
It feels great, okay. It's like, you know, the feeling I get is I feel like I'm in 1920s here.
People are coming here to relax, you know, and to enjoy the nature and to go up in the mountains, enjoy the lake. And in the villa, they can relax. Even if we all appreciate current technology, sometimes it's nice to have a break.
Absolutely.
Oh, wow. Thank you so much. Apple crumble. I love it. Wow. Vanilla sauce.
I love the texture of it.
Yeah.
If this is the test,
That's delicious.
I'm not sure I've survived the main event.